guys, it's Kitty here. So I'm right now in my house, and so I'm in my house just wandering around, and so it looks pretty like that I am actually in my house doing just one. Hey guys, this is Kitty, and now I'm in my house just wandering around, and I need to fix the sink. I'm gonna edit my house and drag it like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna stop editing. So this is my house. If you guys haven't seen me edit, I've edited it while you guys were gone. So this is my house basically. There's my bed, and this is like the dining room sort of, and this is like the living room. I know it's small, but gotta live with it. And this, it looks to me like a ladder, but it's actually like a food stack. Don't you guys think? It looks like a ladder. I mean, that's what I think. And this is my pet room. And my pet room is pretty empty, but yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take out my pets. Snowball's my favorite. Come on, let's go outside. So, I'm right outside. Okay, I'm gonna need to lock my door. Lock door. I'm gonna teleport to my friend Annabelle Maxine, which is supposed to be my best friend Annabelle. Oh, she likes that gray cat. This is my friend. I know she is in this very weird stoned color. Okay, her hair is getting back. Okay, she's normal. Hi. I'm going to create family, and I'm going to invite her. Yay! Okay, let's see. Wait, like, where are the two basic ones? So as you guys can see, my Snowball is now a teen. Okay, so we're gonna need to go camping. Let's go. Oh no. Come on, where is that campsite? I am like sometimes really lost. I don't like these spots. So I need to... I think I fell in the water. Oh, this girl's actually really nice. Even though I don't know who she is, but let's see if any of my other friends are here. Nope. Hey, where's my... Oh, this girl gave me that. This is my starter egg, even though I didn't hatch it, but yeah. Okay, no, we're gonna go to camping. This is taking forever. Bike comes in handy. Multi-bike is the best. Even though I might crash into somebody's house, but we'll just go with it. Nobody can say it's my fault. I don't know how to... No. Okay. Oh no, I fell. Come on. Let's go, Snowball. I'm going to take Snowball. I'm going to ride my bike. Okay. Snowball, I know this might not be what you're planning of, but... Whoa. Oh, that's the house. I remember that house. It's super magical. Oh, no. Okay, there. goodness. Oh, this is Robin. Wait, who's that Robin? Never mind. Thought it was like you can take it. Cost money. Oh! Oh! Yay! Whoa! Whoa! This is so awesome! Whoa, this is actually really, I gotta say. Come on. There's like this guy sending me an invitation. I'm gonna put my thing there. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna decline her. Sleep. Close tent. Ah! Okay, so I guess I need to open my tent. Nope. Which place is this? Tent. Oh no, I'll decline her. Cash out. Okay. Oh, my otter! This otter is so rude. She made my snowcat sick. Why? This is so not fair. We're going, snowcat. No. Come on. Let's go. Oh god. Why did that otter make my snowball sick? That otter is so rude. Finally, I'm not gliding. The last couple times in Roblox and About Me, I was gliding, like literally gliding. I wasn't using my foot to ride. Well, I was using my roller skates, but I didn't even have roller skates, so. Okay. Okay, my virtual mom Yaster is finally not there, so I can be freely disposal and don't need to have any very super talk. Come on, you're gonna need to get some time. Yes. Okay. Hey, give me back my snowcat. Yeah. No, Annabelle. Her real name is Annabelle. Annabelle is so mean. She gave me my pet all away. I mean, not my pet all away. She put my pet in the crib, even though she needs it. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay. So that concludes me hanging out with my friend, but not totally hanging out with my friend. But that's about it. So see you guys later. Bye! Oh yes, and one thing I forgot almost. Make sure to click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!